Hello, this is Lance Paulson, and this video is going to be on the topic of why are my auto insurance rates increasing? Yes, you can be the best driver on the road and never have had a ticket or a claim, and also yes, your rates will be increasing. Reason why is up here. Let's talk more about it. So in 2017, right now it's November of 2017, 9 of the most significant insurance carriers in our state, which is Utah, which probably comprise of 90+% of the market share, are taking a rate increase this year. Either have already taken it or will take it in the last 2 months of the year. The rate increase will be between 8 and 32%. Main reason being, we'll come to down here, but essentially insurance company, even though your record is clear, never have had a claim, if there is a claim, there are more costs associated with this claim they've got to prepare for. Let's specifically talk about that though. Insurance companies really pay attention to a lot of things, but they fall into 2 categories most of the time: frequency and severity. Frequency is there's just more claims right now in our state than there ever has been. And if you think about it, it kind of makes sense. We have more people living here than we've ever had before. And 2 is, this may be a point of argument, but there are more aggressive drivers in the state of Utah than there ever have been. Finally, I think we can all agree on this, is there are more distractions than there ever have been. All of that causing more claims, increase in frequency. Second is severity. So let's say unfortunately someone gets injured in this claim. The amount the insurance companies are paying out for medical care has gone up. The amount, whether it's a chiropractor, an Instacare, emergency room, your doctor, those costs are going up. Second are parts of vehicles. Now, especially the newer vehicles. Those, for example, more of the recent model years, but let's say it was a rear end accident, one of the most common accidents there is. Well, a bumper today is not the same as a bumper 2 decades ago. Today, it's probably a bumper built of material that's lighter weight, more expensive. It may have a camera in there or other sensors in there, and it may need to be calibrated, so it'll take a special technician to reinstall that bumper. That bumper now is 3 to 4 times more expensive than it was 20 years ago. Cars built in the 90s. And that, I kind of alluded to labor, some of the components of the car, they aren't just snap on, snap off, screw on, screw off. They have to be calibrated and adjusted. So that takes a higher labor bill to do that. So that's the severity piece. The amount of the claim payout has gone up significantly in the last few years than it ever was 5, 10, 15, 20 years ago. So in another video, we will address what can you do about it? How can I bring this back down? What are some strategies for that? But for now, I hope that helps define more about what's happening currently for auto insurance in the state of Utah. And again, my name is Lance Paulson. Thank you.